So as you can see, this is a BJT circuit that can be used in a digital logic as a switch. So you see, basically you are using an NPN transistor. The direction of the arrow indicates the current flows from collector to the emitter when the transistor is switched on. You have an input signal to the base pin of the transistor. Emitter is connected to the ground, and from the collector pin you are taking an output VO. There is a resistor RB used to limit the base current IB. So when you apply an input signal as shown through the timing diagram, you have a VI with respect to time, and for certain time period this signal VI is 0, and therefore when you have a 0 volt at the input, you don't have any base current or base emitter voltage drop VBE across the base emitter junction of the transistor. That means the transistor is switched off, and since there is no base current, there is no collector current flowing through the RC, and the output is essentially connected to the VCC, which is the high supply voltage, and therefore in the output diagram with respect to time, you see for input 0 you have output high, that is output 1. So for a logic 0 input you have a logic 1 output. On the other hand, when you have a logic 1 input, that is you have a high waveform at the input side, you have a base current IB, and the base emitter junction of the transistor gets forward bias, creating a drop across it VBE, across base and emitter. So base emitter junction is forward bias, and the base collector junction is also forward bias, making the transistor saturated. And when the transistor is switched on, the current through the RC and the collector starts flowing, that essentially then starts flowing from collector to the emitter. And because of the current flowing through the RC, the output will be VCC minus IC times RC. So if the drop across RC, voltage drop across RC, which is IC times RC, is very high and approximately equal to VCC, then VO would be equal to 0, and that is what is shown in the timing diagram. When you have a logic 1, which is the blue color here, you have logic 0, there is no output in the diagram. So this is how your transistor can be used as a logic switch. So hope you found this video useful. If it